Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel TechUp. In this video, we will learn on how to log into your AmeriMortgage account. So let's get started. First, open any browser that you like. Then in the search bar, type in AmeriMortgage, login, then hit enter. Then among all the search results, look for the one having URL as amerihome.loanadministration.com. Then tap on it. Then you will be facing a form asking for your username and password. So go ahead and type in your username in the text field given for username and type your password in the text field given for password. You can tap on this eye icon to see and verify whether you have typed in your password correct or not. You can also check this box that says remember my username so that you don't have to provide your login credentials next time you log in. Now check this box to agree to user terms and privacy policy. If you don't have account in AmeriHome Mortgage, you can create one by tapping on this text that says register your account. You can also reset your password if you have forgotten it by tapping on this text that says forgot password. And now to log into your account, all you gotta do is tap on this login button and you will be successfully logged in if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider liking this video and subscribe to our channel. If you got any queries, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.